In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for personal finance. 2026 full guide. Managing money in 2026 can be simple when you turn ChatGPT into a friendly, always-on finance helper. We'll walk through budgeting, expense tracking, spending optimization, learning investments, and planning key milestones, all with clear prompts you can copy and adapt. Keep your own numbers handy, and remember, everything here is for education and organization, not personalized financial advice. Start by building a budget that matches real life. Instead of forcing a one-size-fits-all template, ask ChatGPT to create a plan that reflects your income and goals. You can paste this prompt. Act as a certified financial planner. I want to build a budget using the 50-30-20 rule. My net monthly income is P50,000. Break down exactly how much money I should allocate to needs, wants, and savings investments, and give me a realistic list of categories for each bucket. Review the breakdown, adjust categories to match your lifestyle, and have ChatGPT explain trade-offs so your plan feels doable month after month. Next, clean and categorize your expenses without wrestling with spreadsheets. Copy your recent bank or cash logs, remove any personal identifiers, and paste them into ChatGPT with analyze this raw expense data, clean it up, and group the transactions into logical categories like groceries, utilities, transport, and dining out. Calculate the total spent in each category and show me what percentage of my total income it represents. Ask it to clarify any ambiguous entries and to standardize dates and merchant names for clarity. With a clean picture, move to optimization. Use a follow-up like, looking at this data, I'm spending too much money on food delivery and subscription services, which is hurting my savings goals. Give me a practical, step-by-step action plan to cut these specific expenses by 30% next month without feeling entirely restricted. Request simple swaps, weekly targets, and gentle guardrails you can actually stick to. When you're ready to grow your money, turn ChatGPT into a learning coach. Try. Explain the concept of dollar cost averaging and compounding interest using simple, real-world examples. Also, explain the structural difference between an S&P 500 ETF and a high-yield savings account so I can understand the risk versus reward profiles of both. Have it translate jargon and compare scenarios so you can make informed choices. Finally, map milestones with clear timelines. For example, as I want to build an emergency fund of P100,000. Based on my budget, I can consistently set aside P1,000 every week, calculate exactly how many months it will take to hit my goal, map out the quarterly milestones to keep me motivated, and suggest where I should store this fund for safety and growth. Use the output to stay accountable and adjust as life changes. Important reminder, ChatGPT is not a licensed financial advisor. Double-check calculations, never share sensitive details, and research before making major moves. Taking control of your cash flow with AI brings clarity and momentum to your goals. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.